Today we are going to talk about how to get your Discord overlay activity status displayed up on the screen. So down here at the bottom where your cogwheel is in your user settings, you click on that and go to activity status, and you see here that I have the overlay on. And me and my friends were playing the other day and we couldn't figure out what was going on. Maybe it was something between New World and Discord, but it's actually in your activity status. And I can actually turn that off. So now it's off. Now it's back on. And I can turn off Lost Ark or any other games. I got a lot of games. That is how to do that. Just a little quick video tutorial of if you guys were curious of how to display your Discord users, your friends, so you can see who is talking on the screen. Everyone, I'm Ski Bum Games. My name is Brian. Have a great rest of your day. Be safe out there.